In this video, we explore the captivating world of salt lamps, showcasing how artisans transform raw salt into unique lamp design. Welcome to the salt mines. Today, we're going deep, literally, into Pakistan's Khewra salt mine, the largest in the country and the second largest in the world. Here's the kicker. This is the birthplace of the Himalayan salt you're familiar with. Yes, those beautiful pink crystals you sprinkle on your gourmet meals or use to enhance your wellness space have a fascinating history that dates back millions of years. This salt mine has been active for over 2,000 years. The mine has expanded to over 40 kilometers of tunnels and produces around 400,000 tons of salt annually. Some days, the mine can produce 2,000 tons with a workforce of 500 miners. The mining methods at Khewra salt mine haven't changed much since the 19th century. Despite the technological advancements of today, the mine still relies on traditional techniques like drilling and hand chiseling. After drilling holes with traditional methods, miners prepare gunpowder capsules for the extraction process, using 4 capsules for each hole. These capsules are meticulously positioned and a wire is connected to them. Once everything is set, the wire is ignited, causing the gunpowder to explode and shatter the salt into manageable pieces. While this technique may seem old-fashioned, it's highly efficient and ensures precision in extracting the highest quality salt. Following the blast, any loose salt rocks are cleared away, but that's just the beginning. Here comes the real heavy lifting. Approximately 2,000 tons of salt are meticulously extracted by hand. The miners labor tirelessly to break the salt down into smaller, transportable chunks. Even though the operation is on a large scale, this hands-on method guarantees that only the highest quality salt makes it out of the mountain. After the salt rocks are removed, they are dumped into large piles, where another team of workers steps in. These workers manually break the rocks down into smaller pieces. From these smaller chunks, the highest quality salt is meticulously selected for transportation to the production facility. Only the top-grade salt is chosen for consumer products, such as salt lamps, while the remainder is designated for industrial use. Once the salt arrives at the facility, they will be sorted by color and size. From there, they move onto a conveyor belt for washing, ensuring that any foreign debris is removed. Before Himalayan pink salt rocks are transformed into stunning lamps, they are first cut into more manageable sizes, making it easier for artisans to carve them into different shapes. Once resized, the rocks are hand-carved, with the final design reflecting the natural structure of the salt. Once the salt rocks are cut into manageable sizes, artisans step in to chisel the rocks into desirable shapes, whether they prefer a natural, rugged look or a more polished, sculpted design. Each shape is crafted by hand, resulting in a unique appearance for every lamp. Once the salt rocks are chiseled into the desired shapes and the artisans are satisfied with their craftsmanship, the next step is to wash the rocks thoroughly. This process removes any dust or debris left from carving. After washing, the salt rocks are completely dried to preserve their integrity and prepare them for the next stage. Once dry, the salt rocks move to the drilling section, where precise holes are created in each rock to accommodate the light bulbs and electrical components. This step is essential for transforming the raw salt into functional lamps. The drilled cavities ensure the bulb is securely housed, allowing the lamp to emit its signature warm glow. In addition to the standard-sized lamps, larger salt rocks are also drilled to provide customers with a wider array of choices. These larger lamps, weighing between 9 and 15 kilograms, cater to varying price points and preferences, allowing for a more personalized selection. If the natural, rugged look of a salt rock isn't quite your style, fear not. You can select from a variety of specific shapes such as spheres, bowls, or even pyramids. These unique designs are crafted by skilled artisans who work their magic to transform raw salt into stunning artistic creations. Each piece is meticulously carved to maintain its structural integrity while achieving the desired shape. Whether you're seeking a classic aesthetic or something more refined, there's a Himalayan salt lamp to suit every taste. Let's quickly move on to the production of consumable salt and the fascinating process it undergoes. After the Himalayan salt is processed and sorted, it moves to the production line. First, the salt is crushed into finer crystals, achieving a consistent texture ideal for culinary use. Next, the crushed salt goes through a thorough screening process to eliminate any remaining impurities. Once the salt is sorted and dried, the small granules are fed into a large rotating heated drum. This drum is vital in the production process, as it evaporates any remaining moisture, ensuring that the salt is completely dry and shelf-stable. After the final quality checks, the Himalayan salt is ready for packaging for consumer use or shipping to various facilities. The packaging process is thorough, beginning with bulk salt being placed in large bags for wholesale distribution. From there, smaller quantities are processed into consumer-ready products, such as resealable pouches or jars that showcase the salt's distinctive pink hue and mineral content. Are salt lamps actually worth it? And does consumable pink salt have any health benefits? Salt lamps are valued for their aesthetic appeal and calming atmosphere, but scientific evidence supporting their health benefits, such as air purification, is limited. As for consumable Himalayan pink salt, it contains trace minerals that may offer minor health benefits compared to regular salt, but should still be consumed in moderation. While we are talking about salt, let's take a look at how the most expensive salt in the world is made. Bamboo salt, also known as jukyeom, is a unique and precious condiment that has been used in traditional Korean medicine and cuisine for centuries. How is it made? The process of making bamboo salt was developed by a Korean Oriental physician known as Ilhun Kim Ai. Let's look into the fascinating process of growing and harvesting bamboo for salt, the careful craftsmanship involved in its production, and the various uses of this extraordinary ingredient. The first step in producing bamboo salt involves the meticulous cultivation of bamboo. The thriving bamboo forests offer an ideal environment for this versatile plant's growth. Experienced farmers carefully select mature bamboo stalks, ensuring they are free from impurities and at their nutritional peak. To streamline the production process, the harvested bamboo is carefully cut into smaller sections, with one end left open and the other sealed to contain the salt. This step simplifies handling and ensures uniformity in creating bamboo salt. These smaller bamboo pieces serve as ideal vessels for infusing essential minerals and natural flavors. Pine wood is essential in producing bamboo salt, as it is carefully cut into pieces and dried in a rain-free environment to preserve its resin. The aromatic properties of the pine enhance the salt's flavor, giving it a unique essence. The bamboo sections are then placed in a furnace with the pine wood, setting the stage for the transformation process. Nestled along the scenic west coast of Korea, the bamboo salt production site exemplifies the perfect harmony between nature and craftsmanship. Sea salt is carefully harvested from the pristine waters to ensure its purity and quality. This sea salt is then finely ground together with bamboo and pine wood, creating a delightful blend of flavors and nutrients. Once the sea salt has been harvested, It is meticulously packaged to ensure its quality and purity before being sent to the bamboo salt processing plant. This careful packaging protects the salt from contamination and preserves its natural flavors, preparing it for the next phase of production, where it will be combined with bamboo and pine wood to create the distinctive bamboo salt. To improve the preservation and fermentation process, clay is used to seal the bamboo sea salt. This traditional technique ensures that the salt remains shielded from external elements, allowing it to mature and develop its unique characteristics over time. The clay serves as a protective barrier, effectively locking in the flavors and minerals that make bamboo salt truly exceptional. At this stage, the meticulous preparation of the bamboo with clay and salt takes place. Skilled workers carefully pack the bamboo sections with a precise mixture of clay and sea salt. When the salt is firmly packed, the essence of the bamboo is better absorbed into the salt, allowing it to roast into a solid pillar. The salt-filled bamboo stalks, sealed with clay, are carefully arranged in the iron kiln, where they are roasted using well-dried pine wood. The heat from the pine wood fire purifies the sea salt, facilitating the blending of minerals from the bamboo and red clay. The bamboo sticks are then heated to 800 degrees Celsius for approximately 10 hours until they turn to ash inside the iron kiln. Following this process, the hardened clay is removed, and the ash from the salt pillars is brushed away. Occasionally, a bit of bamboo charcoal may remain in the salt, but there's no need to worry. This is simply a distinctive aspect of bamboo salt and is perfectly safe to consume. The salt pillars are placed in the grinder to produce a fine, one-time roasted bamboo salt. Following this, the finely ground bamboo salt powder is compacted tightly into the stalk using a vibrating tool. Once the bamboo stalk is coated with clay, it is placed back into the iron kiln and ignited with pine wood. After the salt has been roasted, the resulting salt pillars are crushed, and this entire process is repeated 8 times to achieve the desired quality and flavor. With meticulous care over 2 weeks, the bamboo salt undergoes a complex 9-step process. During the 9th step, the 8-time roasted salt is placed in a specialized iron kiln for its final melting, reaching temperatures exceeding 1,500 degrees Celsius. With careful management throughout this stage, the result is molten salt that flows like lava. After much effort, the molten bamboo salt solidifies over the course of 2 days and is then carefully inspected. The finished bamboo salt is separated, with some portions mixed with bamboo charcoal, a task that requires experienced hands to ensure quality. The end product, the 9 times roasted bamboo salt, takes on the appearance of shiny crystals and is regarded as a unique treasure, particularly due to its traditional Korean production technique. This salt, which is exported globally, undergoes an additional step where it is crushed slowly to create powders and grains. The powder can be used to season food or dissolved in water, adding versatility to its culinary applications. The entire manufacturing process resembles a science experiment, as the minerals from bamboo and clay transform into salt through the application of high heat. Once the production process is complete, bamboo salt is meticulously packaged by Bamboo Sols, a renowned name in the industry. This packaging is designed to preserve the salt's integrity, making it easy to store and use. Bamboo salt is believed to offer various health benefits and is utilized in both culinary and medicinal applications. Common uses include enhancing the flavor of dishes, pickling, and incorporating it into traditional remedies for its perceived health-promoting properties. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the fascinating world of bamboo salt. If you enjoyed learning about its incredible production process and unique benefits, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. Until next time,